Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Malibu 1LT. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, a continuous variable transmission, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a double sunroof. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, your button to turn your auto stop start on and off, heated seating on both sides, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, your standard cruise control, and front collision alert. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.